This is a brand new 2014 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a navigation system, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Classic BMW, your BMW destination for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at Spring Creek in the Tollway in Plano. We look forward to serving you.